Hey guys, Tasha Marie here. I had one more video that I was going to do with some crackers. Um, these are just crackers that I had around my house. And I didn't do that video, so I did want to come on though and say with a product like this, you can put it in a poly bag. Like if it was a set, you could put it in a poly bag and snug it up. Or because it's a cracker, you may want to put it in a box. That's really just a personal preference. And I noticed when I was looking at this product that it's not within a date range also that you could send it to Amazon. So you really have to pay close attention to the dates of your items that you're sending. And you don't want to ship something to Amazon and have it get there and then them tell you that it's not within date, right? Because those things can happen. It can slip through the cracks. And so you really want to pay attention to those dates, and as you do it, it will become more natural to you to look at it. I know for us, we had several times when we first started selling grocery that we would buy a product and get it home and go, oh man, this is not within the dates that we need it to be. So then we would either have to return it to the store or consume the product ourselves or whatever. So it will become more natural to you to look at that date even before you look at the price of the product. At least that's what we do. So I hope that these short videos have been helpful for you, and if you have any questions, be sure to post them on the Facebook page. Have a good day.